Hey folks, I wanted to quickly jump on to show you a really cool feature that our Impactor App team has just developed. So you're probably familiar with our prioritize feature, which allows you to prioritize ideas, sprints, backlogs, strategic priorities with your team in a collaborative, democratic way. And then our decide feature helps you make this collective decision that you're going to move forward to achieve the impact. Now, based on some recent customer feedback, we've extended our decide feature. And so when you go to decide on Impactor, you can build your decision log as you would previously. So in this case, we've already done the prioritization, and I'm going to imagine a scenario where collectively with my team or on my own, I've picked these three priorities that we're going to move forward with. So I moved them to under consideration, and when we are ready to execute and ready to move forward with these decisions, we go and click decide. Now, this is one of the new features where you can add a rationale or a reason for what you've decided, and that includes who you've decided made the decision with, and you'd continue. So there you have it. If this was a decision I was making with my team members, each one of my team members would now have a notification saying that this is what we're moving forward with. Now, these are decided ideas. But as things happen, especially in agile frameworks and other frameworks that we often use at work, sometimes we have to make different decisions. So what you can do now is really easily and quickly go and revise that decision. So you go and click on revise. You'd be putting in a reason for why you're revising that decision. So in this case, for example, a new scope based on early user feedback. And so we've logged the reason why we're changing that decision so that everyone on our team knows and is aware of that rationale. And let's say we're going to move this priority in and move this priority out. We may even want to leave that priority in, doesn't really matter here. And we're going to go and decide or update our decision log here. So we're going to go decide and updated decision log to meet user needs as an example. And now you can see that there are four ideas, four priorities that we are deciding in this decision. So we'll go ahead, click continue. And again, our team is on the same page because they've been notified what we're working towards, what we want to achieve, and we move forward. Now, here's the really cool thing. Every time these decisions are changed, we've added a log which you can easily access and view from our UI. And so this is a log of every decision that was made or revised in this particular project. And so today is May 20th, and I've just shown you a few decisions that we've made. And but like every time we've made a decision, the ideas that were a part of that decision are logged here. We log the name of the person who's making the change. When there's a change, the rationale for each decision and revision of decision is logged here. So that way your team never misses a beat on why a decision was changed or what decision was made, what was the rationale, who was a part of that, who's made that change. And so your team can work together cohesively and stay on the same page at all times.